Today we're going to be doing a quick video on seed starting. When you start your seeds, there's a few things you're going to need. You're going to need your seed starting trays. I have mine. I saved these from last year, actually in the year before that. You're going to need you some good growing medium. I use mushroom compost, and I also use Pro Mix. That you need to sift both of those before you get started. I got this old colander, and I got this funnel that I've made from a light fixture. Then of course you need your seeds. Then we have kale is what we're going to be using for this demonstration. And we already got our dirt that we got sifted out. We mixed it 50-50, 50% mushroom compost and 50% of the Pro Mix. So let's get started. First, you also need a cup. This way you can scoop out your dirt. I use the funnel just so I can keep it direct over the seed tray that I'm using. I don't know if you can see that. Those are all the large parts that are still in there after I've already sifted it once. When you sift it, you're guaranteeing yourself that you have good seed to soil contact, so that there's not too many air pockets, because if your seeds get too much contact with air, they'll dry out before they even have a chance to get really rooted. You don't want that. It's frustrating. My wife's in the background laughing at me, y'all, but it's all right, because I still love her. Alright, so you get your soil in there and you just use your hand and just push it all the holes. Still not good. Now I'm gonna speed this up for y'all, so y'all don't have to sit through and watch me fill this all the way up. You ain't gotta be neat with it. Have fun, enjoy yourself, get your hands dirty. Should do her. And once you get it on there, tap it down, make sure you got enough dirt in each spot. You see when we tapped it down, these spots back here didn't have enough in there, so we'll add a little bit more just to top it off. Or level it off. I'll give it another tap. All right, and then once it's tapped in, I just go through with my finger, just compact the dirt a little bit, That's again just to remove any extra air pockets that it has. And also make sure that when your seeds start growing, that they have enough support on their roots to hold them up as they begin to grow. Boom. All right, the next, get your seeds. Like I said, we're using kale for this one. Now, a lot of people will tell you to put as many seeds, or 3 to 4 seeds in each spot, but I don't do that. I put 1 seed in each spot because this is money right here. You don't want to waste your money. So boom, just put it right on top of the dirt, and then just slightly press it down. You don't need to bury it deep, because these seeds right here are small. And with small seeds, if they start growing and they can't get to the light fast enough to photosynthesize, then they'll die underneath the soil. You don't want that. So you put 1 seed in each spot, tap it down, all right, so we got all the seeds in there. Next step will be to water them in. All right, so let me take it, set that off to the side, dump all my dirt off back into my pot. And then I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of dirt on top before you water it in, just to cover the seeds up. And do that one more time. Tap it down, tap it down. All right, and let me go grab my water pot. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back with my watering spigot. So I just pour my water into the bottom and then fill it up probably about halfway up the side of your tray, and then let the dirt absorb the water. And be sure not to use just plain sink water. Like, it's okay to use sink water, but if you use sink water, allow it to sit for 24 hours just to get all the chlorine out of it. I myself use rainwater that I collect off the side of my house, my gutter system. But like I said, allow it to just soak up, and then after about 15-20 minutes, pour off all your excess water, and then sit it underneath your grow lights if you have grow lights, or in a bright sunny south facing window if you don't have grow lights. And that's it. That's all it takes to get your seeds started. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Please like and share with everyone that you know that's trying to start their garden this year. All right, y'all, have a great one. All right, everybody, here those seeds go. It's been 3 days since we started them. And they're already popping up. So go ahead and get your seeds started today. They're waiting on you. Eden Acres.